QUANT, guys, currently trading at $107, market cap of 1.2 billion, ranked number 69 on the list. So if you guys looking to trade, hodl, get in with this cryptocurrency, here's the markets they're on: Binance, Coinbase Exchange, KuCoin, Gate.io, Bybit, Gemini, let's see, Kraken, Bittrig, ZB.com, Crypto.com exchange. So if you're looking to get into this cryptocurrency, it's on a lot of platforms, so you guys have the accessibility to get to it. Now let's check out the price rating, guys. This is got a B- as of November 8th, 2019 from Symmetry, so, and also a B from Stable Outlook. It stands in the top 40%. That's really good when it comes to cryptocurrencies. I really enjoy and looking at cryptos that have a rating. I talk about it in multiple videos. But guys, let's move on right to the website, because you want to learn more about this, you want to read their white paper, go to quant.network. It will be in the description box below. Read more about their website, check out their website, learn more about their cryptocurrency, guys. But let's dive right into their news. They just posted 21 hours ago, as governments explore CBDCs and consumer embrace alternative ways to pay. You got Quant as a alternative too. Hopefully this starts taking more advantage, more companies, more countries start using cryptocurrencies. But besides that, guys, let's get to that price prediction.
Eat, sleep, trade, repeat.
Now, I've done multiple price predictions on this cryptocurrency, especially my last one where I was saying it's going to be bumping up, and it did. It went up to this zone, to the $148. Now it's back down to $107. So let's check it out on the higher time frames, guys. So right now it is pretty much at the support zone at 106. Now for me, guys, when it comes to crypto, I will not be buying it. I think it is going to be heading lower like many of the cryptos today. But let's see how low. I think the target area is going to be this right here. That's an easy analysis. 90 there. Give me a second. Right there. So my estimation is going to be hitting it's going to break through this support, possibly breaking through this support right here, this zone right here. So it's going to break down through this support and head down lower to the $90. And that's my price prediction, guys, $90. Make it very simple. I think it might go up a little to bounce off from these, with these wicks here, these shadows, but ultimately be heading down to this price zone here. And from there, I can make a new price prediction if it goes past this 90 price point and starts building up multiple orders or starts slowing down. But for this, guys, I think $90. If you have any questions or comments on how it came to that, I think just the major trend, guys. The trend is your friend. Check out the weekly. The weekly is saying it's going down. The daily is going down. So I think ultimately it's going to be head down lower. I don't know how low. I think once it hit 90, it might make some new levels. But if it doesn't do that, it might just head down lower. If it does that, I'll make a new video, updated video about that, about Quant. Well, let's head to my website, guys, AndrewJMcClinton.com. If you want to learn more about trading, indicators, custom EAs, or my trading mentorship, let me know. We can have that conversation. But outside of that, guys, please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys